She did this and in 10 days her hair grew as in a year. Amazing! A lot of us happen to want to achieve a different look and the first thing we do is make us a new haircut. But what happens when we do not like the cut? Cry in front of the mirror. Better try these homemade tricks to speed up hair growth with ingredients you can find in your own kitchen and solved subject. 1. Potato water to stimulate hair growth. When cooking potatoes, do not throw water. Let it cool and rinse your hair. They say that with this rinse accelerates the growth of hair. The idea is that the potatoes contain starch and the starch gives more volume to the hair. It should be noted that this remedy is one of many popular remedies that people pass from generation to generation but have no scientific evidence of why they work. But it is very easy to do and nothing gets lost with try it. 2. Grow hair with onions. Chop an onion and knead the shampoo. Let stand for 15 days and use the shampoo regularly. The onion is rich in sulfur, a very good mineral for the health of the hair. Not only does it accelerate growth, it gives the hair a glacial glitter. Another home remedy with onion to have long hair. Chop a red onion in half, 4 cloves garlic and 2 cinnamon splinters. Boil everything in a pot for 15 minutes. Rinse your hair with this infusion for 4 days in a row. More on onion